Belief Khao Yai. Look at this place. Black building, jungle all around, and a big waterfall right next to it. Man-made, but honestly, you really cannot tell. It looks and sounds completely real. Inside, brown sofas, big armchairs, very stylish. Dark walls, good music, good air. You sit down and you just don't want to leave. Menu has coffee, drinks, desserts, and real food. Not just snacks, actual meals. I tried the pork steak, 195 baht. Good portion, good taste, very reasonable price for this kind of place. And the presentation is nice too. Open every day, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Just 8 minutes from Toscana Valley and 20 minutes from Mövenpick. Links to both videos are below. Save this video and I see you in the next one.